There are three options you can try to share a Google Docs document to a friend or colleague who doesn't have a Google account. So the first option is essentially sending the document in a different format to your friend. Fortunately, this process was simple because you don't have to download the document to that format and manually attach that to an email. Instead, you can just go to the file menu and then click email. Click email this file. Here you can type the address of the recipient, and also for the subject you can type the title of the email and also the message. And of course there is an option to select a format for this document. There are quite plenty of options, but I think PDF is just the safe option because it is the format that compatible with a lot of devices. And when you're done, you can click send. Basically, your friend should be able to receive this document, although they cannot collaborate with you in Google Docs because they don't have a Google account. This is what the email is going to look like when they receive your message. They can see this document, they can download it, they can add that to their Google Docs, to their Google Drive account if they want to, but they cannot collaborate with you on the same document. So keep that in mind. The second option is by sharing this document to public. So click on this share button. And then here on the general access, you want to change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. And then you can change the role to either viewer, commenter, or editor. But there is a precaution here because since this document is essentially available to the public, anyone can see, anyone can comment or even edit the document depending on the role that you are choosing. So just be careful when sharing this document with this method, because you don't want to share the link to any unauthorized person. So just click copy link and then you can send that link to your friend. So that is the second method. But there is another method which is less elegant, but you probably want to give it a try. You can go to the file menu again and then click share, click publish to web. This is basically publishing the document to the web. This document will be converted into a web page that anybody can see. But one caveat is nobody can edit the document. They will see this. I think this is a different version, but yeah, that's basically going to be the document that they will be able to see. They cannot edit, they cannot give it a comment, they cannot share it, but at least they can see the document. So that is the point of using this method, and you can always unpublish this document anytime you want. So yeah, that's the three options you can try to share a Google Docs document to a friend or colleague that doesn't have a Google account. I hope you find this video helpful.